Ninth class. Assalamu alaikum. Today in Pakistan Studies class, we are doing chapter number 4 and our topic is Objective Resolution 1949. This resolution was passed from the Assembly on 12th March 1949 by the Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. As the name indicates, this resolution was based on all those objectives for which Pakistan was demanded by the Muslims of subcontinent. Now we will discuss the important points. First of all, the first point is sovereignty of Allah. It means that all over the universe, the sovereignty belongs to Allah Almighty, and the powers which will be exercised by the people of Pakistan will be used as a sacred trust and within the limits prescribed by Allah. Second point is elected representatives. The state will be run by the elected representatives of the people. All the people who will be elected by the general population will be the part of the government and they will run the affairs of the state. Point number 3 is Islamic principles. Islam has given us the basic principles of democracy, freedom, tolerance, and social justice. All these principles will be applied in the country. And all the citizens, whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims, they can enjoy all these basic principles. Point number 4 is life of the Muslims. The Muslims of Pakistan, they will be allowed to live their lives according to the teachings of Quran and Sunnah, because that was the basic demand of the Muslims of the subcontinent. They wanted to live according to their religion. Point number 5, minorities' rights. In Islam, there is no discrimination between Muslims and non-Muslims for their social life. So that point is also observed in this resolution, that minorities will be given freedom to live according to their own religion and they can practice their own culture. Point number 6 is fundamental rights. All the basic rights of human beings will be guaranteed in the country. Among those rights, right to live, right to have property, right to education, right to move, right to express your opinion, right to education, and so on. All these are included in the basic fundamental rights. Point number 7 is independence of judiciary. Independence of judiciary is very much essential in any country, because judiciary should be independent to take their decisions without any pressure from any government agency, government department, or any important personality. Point number 8 is federal system of government, in which all the powers of the government will be divided between the central government and the provincial government. So, there were different powers which will be given to the central government and provincial governments, and provincial government will be free to practice all those powers. Next is the importance of objective resolution. Objective resolution is very much important because after the approval of this resolution, the process of constitution making was started. It is the base of all the constitutions of Pakistan. There are three constitutions: 1956, 1962 and 1973. And all these three constitutions are based on objective resolution. Its third importance is that it ended the hurdles in the way of constitution making. It was a difficult task how to make the constitution of Pakistan, and it will be based on which basic principles. And this resolution showed the clear objectives which will be achieved through the future constitution of Pakistan. Its fourth point is Islamic base. It was discussing in the country whether the government will make the constitution on the base of Islam or not, whether the lawmaking will be done according to Islam, or the people will be free to live their lives according to Islam. All these questions were ended with the approval of objective resolution, which showed that all the demands of the population will be accepted, and the people and the government will be free to practice their lives or to make the constitution or the laws according to Islam. There is another importance, and this is that this is the base of all the constitutions of Pakistan as the preamble. But in 1985, Ziaul Haq made the amendment in the Constitution of 1973 to make it the permanent part of the Constitution because of its importance. And thank you.